how to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram. So if you want to see if someone is stalking you on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. So there is no official way to see if someone is stalking you, but you can notice indirect signs that might indicate someone is constantly checking your profile or posts. So open up your Instagram and check if a person is always at the top of your story views. They might be checking your content often. If someone suddenly likes or comments your photos or videos you posted months or years ago, it suggests that they scroll deep through your profile. You can also go with notifications, which will be on the top, and you'll be able to see who liked your comments or your posts. They frequently reply to your stories or react with emojis. Some stalkers repeatedly follow and unfollow to get your attention. They stay in highlights on your profile permanently. So if they keep watching those, it is a sign of ongoing interest. That is it. Be careful with third-party apps that claim to show you who viewed your profile. These are unsafe and against Instagram's rules. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.